Structured programming emerged during the 1960s that was used in C and Pascal languages. The demand for breaking through the barriers of encoding extremely large projects paved way to advent of object oriented programming. It is combination of best methodologies of structured programming plus new organizing concepts. This programming is characterized by the following. First is encapsulation. By the name itself, encapsulation is a strategy that binds the programming code and data it manipulates and keep them safe from outside interface. When code and data are linked together, an object is created. This object contains code and data that are either private or public. A private code or data cannot be accessed by any program that exists outside the said project. When a code is public, then other parts of the program are able to access even if they are not within the object. Polymorphism in Java. This concept is often described as creating a single interface for multiple methods. It means you design a generic interface to a group of related activities. It further reduces the complexity of program by letting the same interface to be used to specify a general class of action. A clear analogy is the steering wheel. No matter what type of steering wheel, whether a manual steering or a power steering, as long as you know how it works, then you can drive any type of car. Inheritance in Java. This process involves one object acquiring properties of another object. For example, watermelon is an object. So if watermelon is an object, so it belongs to class of fruits. Now fruits belong to class of food, super class of food. That means fruits are from food class, which is super class of fruits. Now there are some other attributes to watermelon also, like juicy watermelon, tasty watermelon, etc. So these are other attributes to watermelon object. So basically inheritance is having parents property to child, or so basically inheritance involves one object acquiring properties of another object. Object oriented programming is characterized by application and organization of classes, object and instances. These are actually the components that make up Java program and are interconnected with one another. Class, considered as highest group, class encompasses everything in object oriented programming. Object specifications set by classes are being applied to objects that are not loaded into computer's memory. They are also instances of a class that acts as blueprint ready to be used when needed. Thus, one class can have multiple objects associated with it, and it can even have zero objects. Instance, it it can be the same as objects since they are described as individual instantiation.